Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into Realme Narzo 50i Prime. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button, this one. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil in the top right corner, scroll down, find this button in this block and then press and hold like this and drag to top to add. And now click back for saving. So now we add this button and need to press and hold, and before start our recording we got record audio option. First of all we can turn off or turn on this option, record audio, and we can choose microphone or device audio or device audio and microphone. For example, I wanna only device audio, so choose this option and activate your record audio and tap start for start recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.